Hello everyone, Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. Today I got a brand new Mercedes here. I'm just going to do a quick video on rim cleaning. I love using Diamond Bright Cleaner and Degreaser by Superior Image. I'll put a link into their website. So let's get started. First I'm just going to spray down the rim. I have my wash bucket with a grid in it and my brushes. I do put a little bit of Diablo soap from Chemical Guys in there and suds it up. Alright, I'm going to back it up and rinse it off and we'll see what we get. Nice and clean, easy, quick. Don't forget to send me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com if you have any questions about detailing. And let's do a live shot of Timber. Hey, Timber. All right, everybody, have a great day.